Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, class 9th biology, चैप्टर नंबर 3 बायोडाइवर्सिटी के अंदर हम लोग डिफॉरेस्टेशन का टॉपिक डिस्कस कर रहे थे. आज हम इसी टॉपिक को कंटिन्यू करेंगे. जो पहला पॉइंट आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे दैट इज़ द एडवांटेजेस ऑफ फॉरेस्ट्स. Advantages of forest can be asked in the short questions having few points, and with all points can be selected as long question. The few points which can be discussed in the short question, those may be forest support biodiversity, there is the utilization of timber and fuel wood, there is the role of timber in building houses and wood pulp for making paper. In the same way, forest products industry is a large part of economy in the developed and developing countries. MCQs may be from these points as well. For example, forests support considerable biodiversity. Forests have a key role in the human society. Timber is used for building houses. Wood pulp is used for making paper. Forest product industry is a large part of economy. In the same way, the other advantages are forests have a role in biosphere stability. Forests are valued for aesthetic beauty and tourist attraction. So these are some advantages of forest. The MCQs may be: forest extract carbon dioxide and pollutants from the air. Forests have role in aesthetic beauty and tourist attraction. Deforestation is a great threat to biodiversity. In KPK, the closed canopy forests are shrinking approximately 1% per year. The next topic is overhunting. Overhunting, the question may be: what is a significant cause of extinction of hundreds of species? And the answer is overhunting has been significant cause of extinction of hundreds of species and endangerment of many more. The other question may be: what are the endangered species due to overhunting? And all these are the species which are endangered due to overhunting. What is the principal threat to species? Answer is commercial hunting, both legal and illegal, is the principal threat to different species. MCQs may be: overhunting is a cause of extinction as well as endangerment of different species. और इनमें से कोई भी एग्जाम्पल देकर पूछा जा सकता है कि फॉर व्हाट दे आर एंडेंजर्ड, एंड दे आर एंडेंजर्ड ड्यू टू overhunting. What is the hot topics discussed in the UN World Summits? The threat to biodiversity is among the hot topics discussed at the UN World Summits. The next topic is steps for the conservation of biodiversity. The first question is: write the main causes of loss of natural habitats. The answer is main causes of this loss are rapid growth in human population and prevailing poverty in the rural areas of Pakistan. And the third cause is the low literacy rate. So these are the three main causes for the loss of natural habitats in Pakistan. The next question is, for what IUCN and WWFP stand for? These are the abbreviations and you will have to write their full names. The first name is International Union for the Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources, and the other is World Wildlife Fund Pakistan. These two names can also be selected as MCQs. The other one is the reason for the failure of conservation measure is the low literacy rate. Our next topic is write few examples of environmental work that has been carried out in Pakistan in order to conserve species and associated habitats. That is the question. There are 8 points discussed in this topic. Every point can be asked as a short question. There are 2 points on this page which can be asked as short question, and mostly MCQs can be asked from this topic. For example, the first one is UCN and Government of Pakistan formulated the conservation strategy in 1980s. The next one is International Treaty Against Damage and Poverty in Drylands was signed in 1997 by Pakistan. There are 200,000 of 1 million migratory birds that are killed during migration. The northern areas provide habitats to all these animals. The other points present on this page can also be selected as short questions, and mostly MCQs are present on this page, and these are highlighted. For example, Himalayan Jungle Project was started in 1991 in Plas Valley in KPK. Salman Range Chilagoza Forest is the largest Chilagoza forest in the world. The other one is the NACP is a project of WWFP. Chitral lies on the migratory route of several important bird species. National Park is located close to Quetta and is the only remaining habitat of Chiltan Markhor in the country. The next question is why the bear cubs are captured. The herders capture the bear cubs and sell them to the trainers who train them and sell to the foreigners. And the last topic we are going to start is endangered species in Pakistan. That question can be selected as a long question, and each of the 3 parts can be selected as a short question. The first one is about Indus dolphin. Discuss Indus dolphin as a threatened species or endangered species. And the answer will be from here till end. The MCQs may be According to WWFP, only 600 animals species of Indus dolphin are left today in the Indus River. The next one is Marco Polo sheep. Discuss Marco Polo sheep as endangered species, and the answer will be from the start till end. And the third one is Hanbara bustard. Discuss Hanbara bustard as endangered species, and the answer is same from the start till the end. And the MCQs may be, the first one is Marco Polo sheep are mostly found in the Conserve National Park and nearby areas. And the mostly asked MCQs is Hanbara bustard flies to Pakistan in winter season from former Soviet territory and settles in Cholistan. And the third, deserts. So dear students, these were the short questions, long question MCQs which can be selected in the examination in the chapter number 3 biodiversity. Inshallah, in the next lecture we shall start chapter number 4 of 9th class biology with reference to the selection of different categories of questions. Till then, Allah Hafiz.